The prepping space has a complexity problem. Navigate far enough into preparedness content and you encounter lists of hundreds of items, years-long food stockpile systems, underground bunker specifications, and ammunition inventories that require their own inventory management system. This complexity serves a purpose for the content creator, it produces more content, and it serves a commercial purpose, it produces more products to recommend, but it does not serve the person who arrived at preparedness with a straightforward question: what do I actually need to be meaningfully more prepared than I am right now, and what is the minimum viable system that addresses the scenarios most likely to affect me? The answer to that question is 5 items, organized around 6 core needs. The 6 core needs that every emergency scenario eventually threatens are water, food, health, power and communication, tools and shelter, and documentation. 5 well-chosen items can address all 6 of these categories adequately for the 3 to 7 days that most serious disruptions last, and for the extended scenarios that exceed that window. Those 5 items provide the foundation on which additional preparation builds rather than leaving a person with nothing to build on. Water is the first core need and the one that most minimalist preparedness lists underweight. The 3-day water storage recommendation that appears everywhere in emergency preparedness content is a minimum for stationary conditions, 1 gallon per person per day, stored in sealed containers, adequate for drinking and basic sanitation. It does not address scenarios where stored water runs out, where water containers are damaged in the event, or where disruption extends beyond 3 days. A portable water filtration system addresses all of these gaps in a single compact device. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter, filtering up to 1,000 gallons, removing 99.999% of waterborne bacteria, weighing 2 ounces, transforms any freshwater source into a safe drinking source for one person through the full duration of most conceivable disruptions. It is the single water item that covers the gap that stored water leaves, and for a minimalist kit it is the higher priority of the two because storage can be improvised from clean containers and tap water in the days before a disruption fully develops, while filtration cannot be improvised from anything. The link is in the description. Food for the minimalist kit means calorie density, preparation simplicity, and shelf life, not variety, not comfort, and not the elaborate rotation system that a full food stockpile requires. The ReadyWise 120-serving freeze-dried emergency supply provides calorie-dense, preparation-simple food with a 25-year shelf life that requires only hot water to prepare. One purchase addresses the food category for one person for 40 days, enough to cover any disruption short of a civilization-scale event, and requires no rotation, no refrigeration monitoring, and no expiration tracking for a quarter century. The link is in the description. Health readiness in a minimalist kit means trauma capacity, not just first aid. The scenarios that create genuine health emergencies during disruptions, structural damage injuries, vehicle accidents, falls in damaged environments, exceed what a standard bandage and antiseptic kit addresses. A trauma component, tourniquet, hemostatic gauze, pressure bandage, adds minimal weight and space to a minimalist kit and covers the gap between minor injury management and life-threatening injury management that most retail first aid kits leave entirely unaddressed. Power and communication means a hand crank or battery emergency radio that does not depend on internet infrastructure and a reliable illumination source that does not depend on disposable batteries. Tools means a multi-tool that handles the cutting, fastening, prying, and opening tasks that a disruption environment creates without requiring a separate tool for each. Documentation means physical copies of critical identification, financial information, and emergency contacts in a waterproof sleeve that remains functional when digital systems are not. 5 items. 6 categories. Maximum survival from minimum complexity. Subscribe to InTheBeginning. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.